Hey traders, just want to do a Euro update, the ECB tomorrow. We'll talk about a couple things to look for, but just real quick, directionally top down. We're still in a long-term bear market for the Euro. Okay, don't forget about that. This monthly cycle, guys, if you look closely here, it's just a simple oscillation, but so many people consider this stochastic about overbought, oversold. Wrong way to use it. Use it as a time measurement, as it's an oscillation, pendulum swing. You want to care about the cyclicality of this oscillation. So if you look at each one of these monthly cycles, all right, this was obviously 2014. This is when the euro broke down. This was a huge move, big global macro move. Here was your monthly cycle. Okay, then we cycled up. You'll notice from here, this pretty much marked the low, and then you had to move into really the most recent high the last several years, right? It was the move up into 115, 116. So that was on this monthly cycle. Okay, this monthly cycle down, look what that produced. Weakness. This monthly cycle up, you had a bounce midway through the year last year, and then again, cycle down. All right, so we've been in this euro cycle up, but I think we're coming to the point here where this is most likely going to change the back half of the year. So tomorrow or whenever we get a cycle cross, that's kind of what we're going to look for to get more aggressive with our size on more core positions. All right, so that shows you the timepiece longer term. When you look at the weekly cycle, very high, been a pretty good rhythm there lately. And so what we want to focus on though is all these prior highs up here. Okay, these highs right across the board here. Any move to tomorrow up into this area, we're going to be sellers as long as you're below this low. So I'm going in pretty light, only short 300,000, and then you give me a move up though into 114, 115. I'm going to be a seller. And so I like going into these events light, because then if you give me the pop into the top of my range, I can act on it. If you go in heavy hoping, if you go in heavy making a bet that the market's going to break and it doesn't break in your favor, it goes against you, very hard to sit through that type of move and then still be able to hit the market at your level, right? So that's the game plan. That's kind of been the game plan in these big events all year. You know, we had a good call when we got above the French election highs that we could run to 113, and we've basically just been nestled right up underneath it. So this is a big level, obviously, from Trump. And again, lots of highs back here. If I can zoom out. Lots of highs. All these highs in here. All right, so this is the sell zone. There's no reason to make a long-term call that we're in a bull market on the euro and a long-term bear market on the dollar till you got to give me weekly and monthly closings above all this. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. Any type of pop, we're going to be a seller. I would say the intermediate term has been in an uptrend. Like I said, once we traded above here, it's been nothing but bullish. We had a higher low cycle crossed here at the end of May. It's been in another nice swing move up. So I've just been playing it core short small, and then we've been picking our places, taking some day trade longs here and there with the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Anyway, stay tuned. You can visit the blog, jenkinsrm.com. Check back tomorrow. We'll see what the ECB brings. Have a great rest of your day.